Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.